When did you start your first theater experience here?
It was 2022 now, so
Wow.
yeah, long ago, and it was the first time they did the course here. And we started online actually, so it was on Zoom, but then we came back in presence.
So when did you get into acting?
Honestly, from a really young age, because my family is also related to art, so I had like a first image of how acting works. I think I was around 7 years old.
But is it because you also want to become an actress, for example?
Like, see, when I was a kid, yes, I really have this little dream to do musical and stuff, but then just changed my plans, my life. But now just for fun, it's very nice. And also, like, I love art and the fact that art connects all the people, and I think that's super nice.
Fabio, for you, how was the whole experience coming, into Bocconi? Did you expect yourself to be doing a theater course ever here?
At first, no. I chose to do a theater course because I wanted like that weekly appointment and to have to do something, and I always liked theater. I had a theater workshop last year back in Bologna, but I liked this one way better because it was for students, this one, let's say. The other one was more for adults, and so I found myself to have more fun here.
What about you? How do you see acting influencing your life?
Well, I feel like I like to get creative in all the fields I can. Like, I don't know what I'm doing in a business school actually, but it's okay. I'll find my way, but I think acting is just a really nice physical form to like express yourself. There's like a lot of movement, and you need to feel comfortable with your body a lot more than you may think. You need to put yourself out there a lot, and I'm enjoying it. I feel like the class has been like challenging me enough. Yeah.
Did you make friends while you were here?
Yeah, I made quite some friends here. New people, some people that I already knew that I got closer to, and it's been quite nice, honestly, interacting with people from different courses, even people from master programs for me.
Even for people from different countries.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's a new experience, new way to talk about things, just going for a drink after, talking about your cultures, where you come from. It's always been amazing.
Because it's important to get to know each other, also to work well inside the theater environment.
Exactly. And when you have that sort of trust, I've seen like our quality and our work improve more and more as we've all started to get to know each other, when we're a bit more familiar with the strengths and what we present with the other person. It becomes so much more natural and easier and just a lot more fun.
And did you talk to your friends about the course? Are they going to see you?
Yeah, there are my friends in the audience, and also I came to the course with my friend, my roommate, so we're doing the course together because I just like, come with me, and she's crazy like me and she joined, but we're
cool,
very,
yeah.
yeah.